Yeah, I walked the long road, silence heavy in my chest. Built my future from the dust when the world gave me less. No fear in my stride, just the truth that I protect. Respect ain't bought with noise, it's earned by how you stare. People talk from the corners, but their voices fade away. I've been forged through the struggle, sharpened every single day. No throne was handed to me, I rose from the underground. Now the night bows slowly whenever I come around. I'm moving through the night, in the gates of paradise,
Yun,
where the strong survive the storm,
di pa
and
tapos
the
oh.
weak pay the price.
Di pa
Every
tapos.
mile that I walk, every truth that I embrace, builds a kingdom in the shadows, my gangster paradise. I don't break under pressure, I ignite in the heat. Turn the darkness into armor, make the pain sound elite. My presence is a warning, my silence is a blade. I don't follow any path, I define the roads I made. Loyalty is the currency, betrayal cost your name. I've seen men lose themselves just to chase a hollow fame, but I stand on something real, something fire I can't erase.
Ganda yan. Ang ina mo lang. Alam ko ano gagawin mo. Yun, di pa tapos guys. Ang layo ng guys. Tags, brown, brown siya guys, brown. Dumaan. Sa kabila yung dumaan yung barangay.